Okay, for homework 525, I'm going to show you one example and then have you do one on your own, the one on the right. So try to write everything that I'm showing you here. All right, so what we're doing, we're giving you a table and we're asking you to find the rate of change, which is the slope, and find the base charge, which is the y-intercept. So I'm going to have you write the equation and know what is what. So here we go. With this table, know that these are the x numbers, hours, time, usually on the x-axis. Those are your x-axis numbers. Anything else like cost, dollars, pounds, those are going to be on your y-axis. So that means hours are x, these cost, these are going to be my y numbers. So I need to find the rate of change, how much those numbers are going up or down, because that is my rise and that is my run, just like you would see on a graph. So I could see on this, my y numbers going up by 3. That is going to be my rise. My x numbers going up by 1. That's going to be my run. Remember, slope of a line, if you could write that, slope is always the change in the y numbers, that's that 3, divided by the change in the x numbers, that's that 1 right there. So if I put that together, the slope is 3, sorry about that, 3 over 1. And of course, we always just write 3 over 1 just as the slope of 3. So that is my y-intercept. If I was to write this equation, y equals, I would put that 3 right here in front of x. That is my rate of change. That is $3 for every hour. That's what that number means right there. That rate of change, that 3, is $3 for every 1 hour. That's what that rate of change number is. It is a fraction. It is a slope. Now the base charge is the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept on this table, you're going to backtrack a step to the 0 term. So that means I'm subtracting 1 to get down there, which means on the y column, I'm subtracting by 3. And what number am I subtracting by 3? The 7 right here. 7 minus 3 gives me 4, the all-important y-intercept, or at 0 hours, how much you're spending already. That's that plus 4 right here. That is your base charge. That 4 represents 0, 4, represents the y-intercept, represents how much you're spending at 0 hours. That's the base charge. So if I asked, what's the rate of change for this function? The rate of change is $3 for every 1 hour. That's my rate of change. That's the number that goes in front of x. Again, I want you to write the equation. What's the base charge? That is $4. That's how much you're spending after 0 hours, after anything's even begun, after you've even started to rent. So again, the base charge is the y-intercept number, the 0 term. The rate of change is the slope number in front of x. I'd like you to do the same for this problem right here. I'd like you to find the change in the y, which is your rise, divide that by the change in your x, which is your run, and then backtrack. Reverse that pattern to find the 0 term, which is your y-intercept, and then be able to, after you write the equation, identify the parts. What number is the rate of change? What's it mean? Dollars per hour. Which number is the base charge? All right. Good luck. See you on Friday.